XRP could increase 3.5% by June 27, based on coin price forecast. Before anything else, let's check the chart conditions. XRP has moved lower by 4.7% since yesterday and trades close to $1.0332. Time to see what experts are expecting. The forecast from 30 rates points to a decline to $1.0135 by June 27, around 1.9% below today's level. Traders Union expects XRP to trade lower toward $1.0251, an estimated drop of 0.8%. CoinData Flow highlights a potential move lower to $1.03, a projected drop near 0.3%. Another forecast from Coin Price Forecast suggests XRP could reach $1.07. That's an estimated gain of about 3.5%. To finish, Crypto Predictions believes $1.088 could be reached by tomorrow. That's a projected 5.3% gain. This is the most profitable call among all. All 5 predictions are done. Let's move on. Now that we've reviewed the forecasts, here's what they point to. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a decrease of 1.9% and a rise of 5.3%, depending on the analyst. Based on these forecasts, Crypto Predictions stands in first place with 5.3% climb in value by June 27. In short, you could see a return of between $3 and $53 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinDataFlow's forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 90.9%. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. The consensus perspective places XRP at about $1.0453. Let's go a little deeper. Based on the consensus view, the price is expected to increase by 1.1% by tomorrow. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 1.1%, reflecting that same shift. On each 1,000 of capital, this projection might reflect about $11 in growth. And overall, the likelihood of this consensus projection for XRP is estimated near 87.1%. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. 30 rates describes the near-term path as bearish. Additionally, Traders Union points to a bearish path. The short-term stance from CoinDataFlow is also optimistic. Similarly, Coin Price Forecast expects the market to keep trending upward. The scenario from Crypto Predictions also shows the price climbing. Bringing together these perspectives, the consensus suggests that XRP may strengthen across the 3-day horizon. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that XRP is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. The question is, which ones matched reality? Ultimately, the final price landed near $1.0432. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. Best alignment with the actual price came from Traders Union. Now we'll arrange the details clearly. Yesterday's price action included 2 forecasts within the limits. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits, and 30 rates reached 5.6%, the highest among them. Now on screen is the overview table, all results at a glance. Looking at the summary, 30 rates registered 5.6% ROI and $0.0469 accuracy. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Now let's see how XRP ranks among other assets based on their forecasted returns for tomorrow. According to tomorrow's forecasts, XRP stands at 4th place, and Polkadot shows 3.7% potential return. Only 5 cryptocurrencies are included in this section, and a wider comparison across many assets is already available on my website. That's all for now, everyone. If this video saved you time or helped you understand things better, a like would mean a lot. Stay well and see you